After watching this video, you will be able to generate phishing links under 15 seconds. I will also show you the legit method to fix this issue too. And there's a bonus in the end of the video, so wait till the end. This content is for educational purposes only. I do not support illegal hacking or unauthorized access. All actions shown are performed legally in a controlled environment. This is Instagram.com, and now when you enter your login credentials, your device sends your login credentials to Instagram's web server, and the web server checks whether these login credentials are available in the database or not. If it is available and it is matching the cases, then the web server will approve your request and it will send a successful response packet to your device. And that's how you are able to log in to your Instagram account. But now let's say this website. This looks exactly like Instagram. But what if I told you that this is not a genuine website? If you look closely to the link, it is a phishing site. So when you type your credentials don't go to Instagram's web server, but it goes to the attacker's system. So the username and the password which you have entered can be easily accessed by the hacker. And that's how phishing sites work. Now, in order to stay away from phishing sites, always look at the link. Type your credentials only if the link is safe and genuine. And don't forget to turn on your Windows Defender, which will automatically block the phishing sites and give you a warning that by chance if you have mistakenly entered your login credentials, it will stop you from doing that. So we will be using this particular tool which says Zphisher in order to create a phishing site. So we have to import this particular tool. So let's go to our VM and git clone. I'll paste the link. It's downloaded. Now let's move to the directory. So now let's run the script with the following command. It will do its work and install few dependencies, and after that you should see this menu. So I'll go for Instagram, the second option. I'll go with the traditional login page. There are three options: localhost, Cloudflared and local expose. Now if you see, Cloudflared and local expose's services are currently down if you try to access with Zphisher. So for now I will go with localhost. And if you know that our intention is to make the site public, but now in this case our site is hosted in our localhost at this particular port 8080. For that we will now need another tool which is called Cloudflared. So for that I need to download Cloudflared first. So go to description and copy the following command and paste it in a command line. So it will download, and then we have to install Cloudflared. So sudo dpkg -i and your file name, enter, password. So it is installed. Now if we type Cloudflared, you can see that Kali Linux is identifying, it is recognizing what Cloudflared is. So if we type Cloudflared with the help flag, then you will be able to see this menu. So for now, in order to port forward our localhost, I need to use this command, Cloudflared tunnel --url and http://127.0.0.1:8080 in your particular port. It may be different for you if you have chosen a custom port. So now let's hit enter, and our localhost is port forwarded in this particular site, in this particular link. Your quick tunnel has been created. Visit it at this. And one important thing that we have to notice is that it may take some time to be reachable. So for now, if we try to open the link, you can see this error 1033. So in order to fix this, the only thing that you have to do is wait for 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now as you have waited for so long, let's try opening the link now. Let me paste it. And it is loaded. Now you tell me, who can tell that this is a phishing site? except if you don't look at the link. So now if I type my credentials, login, it redirects me to the actual real Instagram. But now let's look at behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, what happened exactly? Let me open this tab. And you can see that this was my account, the username, the email which I gave, and this was the password. I love Zendaya. That was so insane. And like that, you can experiment with a lot of different various type of attacks, phishing sites. So there's Roblox, there's Discord, there's TikTok. TikTok is banned in India, by the way. WordPress, Yahoo, Dropbox, DeviantArt, so many. There are like 35 options that you can choose about. Hello.
हाँ ब्रो, मैंने तेरे से बोला था ना 100 रोबक्स चाहिए मेरे को, क्या हुआ उसका?
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स, क्यों नहीं. तो मैं तुझे एक लिंक सेंड कर रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे तो अपना क्रेडेंशियल्स डाल दे, ठीक है?
ठीक है, भेज
दिया.
ओपन कर रहा हूँ. रुक जा, ये क्या है?
डाल एक बार लॉगिन कर ले, फिर मिल जाएगा.
ब्रो, ये सेफ लिंक है ना वैसे?
हाँ ऑब्वियसली यार, मैं भेज दूँ ना.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, देखता हूँ, रुक जा.
One eternity later.
ओके ब्रो, मैंने कर दिया लॉगिन. अब क्या करना है मेरे को? हाँ. मेरे को क्या गधा समझते है क्या तू? ऐसे कोई भी लिंक तू भेजेगा और मैं उसको दबा के मैं तेरे को ये मेरी डिटेल शेयर कर दूंगा. Roses are red, violets are blue. If I had a brick, I would throw it on you. अरे भाई